Was ist der Brüder draussen?
Find anything?
Ein Foto von mir, das ist nur ein Bild.
Just a picture of whoever was here.
I know who you are. You're Lee Everett. You're a professor at Athens who killed a state senator who was sleeping with your wife. This is your parents' store. Folks around town know the owner's son got himself a life sentence, but I'm a reporter for WABE in Atlanta. I paid attention to that trial. Maybe you're a murderer, but I don't really care. Frankly, that's a skill that might come in handy. Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
The world is ending out there. Who cares who I am?
If you don't think people will find any reason to turn on you, especially when the shit hits the fan, you're insane.
Whatever.
You seem like an okay guy, and the last thing we need is drama out there. You've got this little girl to take care of, and look, don't make me wrong on this.
I don't plan to.
Good, because if this lasts longer than a few days, and you're a detriment to the group, then we'd have a problem.
I hear you.
I'll just keep it to myself.
Danke, wie kann ich dir vertrauen? Ich traue dir nicht.
Don't worry about it.
Der Player, hä? Sogar in der Apokalypse noch gut mit den Frauen. Also.
My parents came in here hoping to survive, but it looks like one of them was hurt. I wonder if it was my dad. Trying to be a hero, maybe. Or a protector, at least.
Mein Rückenbiest. Clementine. Glaubst du, alles sind okay?
Out there seem all right to you?
Yeah. Well, maybe not the sick guy.
Yeah. We'll keep an eye on him.
There was that thing in the bathroom. It tried to get me.
I know.
But you stopped it.
Yeah, I did.
Can you do that more?
Well, I'm not gonna go looking for him.
I mean, get the dangerous ones.
I'm gonna try.
Good.
I'm gonna keep looking around.
Okay.
Also, da haben wir geschaut. Im Schrank jetzt nichts. Ah nein, scheiße, dann schon geschaut.
We gotta clear this door for when we find the keys. I ought to clear a path to opening that door.
Ja, dann nehmen wir es mal weg. Oh, ein Kinderstick. Was ist das? Was?
What's that?
This is my dad's cane. He'd zip around here on it from time to time.
Was he sick?
Nah, he was okay. I actually saw him whoop shoplifters with it. This cane's protected this place better than any guard dog ever could. Plus, he knew how to make it look cool. Like you with your hat.
My dad gave it to me.
See, dads are smart like that.
Ja, man, den muss ich aber mitnehmen.
Better get this door clear, huh?
Can I help?
Nein.
Here we go. Watch your fingers in the drawers.
Wie geht es dir?
Things have been scary, huh?
Yeah. It's not good. I don't know why everyone is crazy.
Neither do I, Clementine. Nobody does, I don't think.
I bet my dad does.
Okay, here we go.
Ihres Gesicht.
Do you have kids?
No.
You don't have a family?
No. So, dann reden wir nicht darüber, treibst du Sport? Lass uns die Dinge wegschieben.
Let's not talk about that. Do you play sports?
I play soccer, but I don't really like it.
I'm not crazy about it either. All right, a little further.
Why don't you want to talk about your family? Do they, like, hate you?
Weil sie tot sind, ich hoffe, es ist, ja, sie sind tot. Lern's!
Because they're dead.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You didn't know.
I'm just sorry for being mean.
Look, my family's gone and I just wish things would have been different.
Yeah.
Ich hatte etwas, ich bin kein schlechter Kerl, ich habe ihn umgebracht, ja.
I got into a fight once.
And what happened?
And it ended really badly. After that, I wasn't allowed to talk to my family.
That's so sad.
Let's move this thing.
Ow!
Are you okay?
I hurt my finger.
Is it bleeding?
A little.
I'll find you a bandage.
Ja, haben wir vorher gerade gefunden. Da. Was haben wir da oben?
I'd kept the remote for that thing in here someplace.
So, Clementine, da.
Let's have a look at that finger. Ow.
It hurt.
Let's see if we can do something about it. Let's get this cut covered up.
Yes, please.
So. Was haben wir da? Knarre.
Lee?
Yeah.
Was?
What if my parents come home and I'm not there?
Ich glaube, das werden sie nicht.
Lee?
Soll ich tun?
I don't think they will. They want you to be safe. We'll find them if we can.
I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Stay close to me until then, okay?
Oh, das wird echt hart. Das wird übel. Das wird sehr übel. Mein Hund.
That's what I figured.
Oh shit. Kann ich noch mehr mitnehmen, falls ich mich auch noch schneide?
Luckily, there's nothing I need in here.
Gut. Können wir gerade schauen, was da ist.
The keys are on that zombie out in the street.
Ah, an meinen Brüder. Well, let's go out then.
Wanna head back into the drugstore with me?
Okay. Lee?
Yeah.
You're not bad, right?
Why are you asking me that?
That lady said you killed someone. Was that because he was one of the things trying to eat you?
Nein, das war nicht. Nein.
No, he wasn't.
Oh. Was he bad?
He was.
Meine Frau vögelt. Oder so etwas, wenn ich das verstanden habe. Oh. Ah, jetzt müsste ich wohl mit den anderen rausgehen. Hallo.
Hey, Carly. You ready to head out?
You got it. You?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Get down.
Uh oh. College zombie.
Did you see that?
Sure did. Be ready to shoot.
Guys! Oh man, I'm glad you're here.
Jesus, Glenn.
Right then wasn't so hard.
Can we get out of here before any of these things notice us?
Not yet. There's a survivor trapped up there.
No way. We gotta go. Now.
Listen, I was out here looking for gas. And then, up there in the corner room, I heard crying coming from inside.
Who is it?
It's a girl. We talked and she got frightened. I was trying to get in and help her, and she started yelling and saying I was bitten. I tried to convince her I wasn't, and that's when all these guys came out of the forest. A couple almost got me, and I ended up hiding in the ice machine.
Lucky you. Now let's go.
We can't just leave her.
Damn right we can.
You guys are suicidal. Over a girl.
I'm saving her, with or without you.
Think about if it was you.
Fine. Let's go save Glenn's damsel in distress.
Ja, wo bin ich?
Okay, this is the plan. We don't know how hard it's gonna be to get her out of that room.
Yeah, it's boarded up.
So we have to kill every one of them in here. Quietly. Noise attracts these things. Now let's have a look around.
Weißt du was? Ich mache jetzt einen Schnitt da. Weil erstens ist es gerade spannend, ist gerade gut für die nächsten Folgen und zweitens muss mein Hund raus, von dem her ist auch gerade gut. Nein, er ist hure Erzgame. Krass. Das wird sicher noch hure kritisch, aber so weit gehen wir dann in der nächsten Episode von The Walking Dead. Bis dahin, merci fürs Schauen, immer nicht vergessen, haben es euch gefallen hat. Wenn es nicht gefallen hat, mich anklicken. Und ja, wer weiterhin die Serie möchte verfolgen, mit mir zusammen natürlich, kann aufs Abonnieren drücken, kostenlos. Also, nochmal merci fürs Schauen und wir sehen uns. Tschüss!
If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song.